In the complex world of civil engineering, technical proficiency alone cannot guarantee project success. Behind every landmark bridge, transformative highway, or groundbreaking infrastructure lies a fundamental truth. The strength of relationships among key stakeholders often determines whether ambitious visions become celebrated realities or cautionary tales. At the heart of every civil engineering project exists a critical triangle of collaboration involving the client, consultant, and contractor. Three distinct entities whose interdependence shapes outcomes more profoundly than blueprints or budgets ever could. The client, architect of vision and purpose. The client occupies the apex of this relationship triangle as the originator of need and purpose. Whether a government ministry planning a national highway, a private developer envisioning a commercial complex, or a municipal authority upgrading water infrastructure, the client defines the why behind every project. They establish objectives, allocate budgets, set quality expectations, and ultimately bear financial responsibility for bringing their vision to life. However, the client's influence extends far beyond the initial contract signing. Their ongoing engagement throughout the project lifecycle proves crucial to maintaining momentum and preventing dysfunction. A proactive client makes timely decisions when design modifications arise, approves necessary variations without excessive bureaucratic delays, and ensures promised financial disbursements flow according to schedule. They ask informed questions, remain accessible for consultations, and understand that their leadership style cascades throughout the entire project ecosystem. Conversely, disengaged or indecisive clients create ripple effects of inefficiency. Delayed approvals halt progress, ambiguous requirements invite scope creep, and erratic funding disrupt contractor operations. The most successful clients recognize that their role demands active stewardship rather than passive observation. They must champion collaboration while respecting the professional boundaries of their technical partners. The consultant, bridge between imagination and implementation. Serving as the technical intermediary, the consultant transforms abstract client aspirations into concrete engineering solutions. These professionals, whether design engineers, project managers, or specialized technical advisors, shoulder responsibility for translating vision into viable designs, detailed drawings, comprehensive specifications, and rigorous quality oversight during construction. The consultant's role demands a delicate equilibrium. They must advocate fiercely for the client's interests while maintaining professional fairness toward the contractor. This neutrality positions them as honest brokers who can mediate disputes, validate claims, and ensure that technical standards supersede political or commercial pressures. Their professional integrity becomes the project's moral compass. Beyond design duties, consultants provide invaluable strategic guidance. They conduct feasibility analyses that determine project viability, perform risk assessments that identify potential pitfalls, recommend value engineering alternatives that optimize costs without sacrificing quality, and certify payment applications that keep financial flows transparent. Success in this multifaceted role requires not merely technical brilliance, but also diplomatic acumen, the ability to navigate competing interests, manage expectations, and communicate complex technical realities to non-technical stakeholders. The contractor, the hands that build dreams. If the client dreams and the consultant designs, the contractor builds. As the executor who transforms drawings into physical structures, the contractor mobilizes the machinery, materials, and manpower necessary to manifest engineering plans in the real world. They confront the unpredictable challenges of actual construction, variable soil conditions, weather disruptions, supply chain complications, labor coordination, and the countless unforeseen obstacles that never appear on pristine design documents. Exceptional contractors bring more than construction capability. They contribute problem-solving creativity and adaptive thinking. When site conditions contradict design assumptions, they propose practical solutions. When material shortages threaten schedules, they identify viable alternatives. When safety concerns emerge, they implement protective protocols. The best contractors maintain transparent communication about progress and challenges, understanding that surprises damage trust while honesty preserves it. Their efficiency directly influences project timelines and budgets. A contractor who sequences activities intelligently, manages subcontractors effectively, maintains quality control rigorously, and adapts resourcefully to challenges becomes an invaluable asset. Conversely, contractors who conceal problems, cut corners, or prioritize profit over performance can derail even the most carefully planned projects. The chemistry of collaboration. The magic or tragedy of civil engineering projects emerge from how these three stakeholders interact. When mutual respect flourishes, communication flows openly, and responsibilities remain clearly defined, projects advance with remarkable efficiency. The client provides clarity and consistency. The consultant ensures technical integrity and fairness, and the contractor delivers craftsmanship and commitment. This synergy transforms potential into reality. However, when relationships fracture, consequences multiply rapidly. Mistrust breeds defensive behavior. Communication breakdowns spawn costly misunderstandings. Unclear responsibilities create gaps where problems fester. Even technically sound projects can spiral into litigation nightmares, budget catastrophes, and reputation-destroying failures. The ultimate lesson. Civil engineering teaches a profound lesson that transcends technical disciplines. Relationships matter as much as reinforced concrete. The projects that endure as monuments to human achievement invariably emerge from partnerships characterized by trust, transparency, and shared commitment. In this field, success is never solitary. It is always collaborative, always dependent on the quality of human connections that transform individual expertise into collective achievement.